Wow! Look at all these colorful flowers. Explorers, I think I'm in Hungary. Look, today's letter is right there. It's the letter H. Can you say H with me? Ready? H. Brilliant! H says huh, huh. Say it with me. Huh. One more time. Huh. Incredible! Now let's find our H animals hiding in Hungary. Shh! Something is splashing in that river. Let me check my scanner. It's a hippo! H is for hippo. Listen. Hippo.
Huh?
Your turn. Hippo.
What?
Can you stomp your feet like a big, splashy hippo? That hippo yawn nearly blew Zippy right over. Did you know hippos can eat a whole watermelon? Just like eating your fruit helps you grow big and strong, too. Now clap with me. Hip-po! Amazing! Shh. I can hear hooves nearby. Let me check my scanner. It's a horse. H is for horse. Listen. Horse. Your turn, horse. Can you gallop in place like a horse? Trot, trot, trot. What a silly horse sound. That really shook Zippy up. Did you know horses love crunchy carrots? Crunchy vegetables are a great snack for us too. Can you pretend to munch a crunchy carrot? Horse is just one syllable, one big clap. Horse! Easy! You did it! Shh! Something is pecking around over there. Let me check my scanner. It's a hen! H is for hen. Listen. N. Your turn. Hen. Can you flap your arms like hen wings? She thinks Zippy's toes are worms. Did you know hens love millet and grain seeds? Little seeds and grains give hens lots of energy, just like healthy snacks do for us. Can you pretend to scatter some seeds? Hen is just one syllable, one big clap. Hen! Easy! You did it! Hungary quiz time! I'll show you 3 things. Stand up when you see the one that starts with H. Ready? Ready? Rainbow. Deer. Cow. Which one starts with H? Point to it now. Yes! Hippo starts with H. You are one brilliant explorer. True or false time? Put your hands on your head if it's true. Wiggle your fingers if it's false. Ready? Hippos can eat a whole watermelon. True or false? True! Hippos really can eat a whole watermelon. Well done! A horse has 2 legs. True or false? False! A horse has 4 sturdy legs, not 2. You got it! Today in Hungary, we found 1. A hippo whose giant yawn nearly blew Zippy over. 2. A horse who blew the silliest raspberry ever. 3. A hen who thought Zippy's toes were worms. And they all start with H. H says, huh. Say it with me one more time. Huh. You found 3 amazing H animals in Hungary today. I'm so proud of you, explorer. Next time Zippy goes to Iceland. Can you guess what animals we'll find? Come back for our next adventure. Bye-bye, explorer.